Hi, everybody. This is Kathy. Have you been wondering what I've been up to? Well, I am in the midst of working on 3 big projects, and I'm anxious to show you them from start to finish. But today I thought I'd just give you a little sneak peek. So here they are. Behind this door is project number 1, which I'll call From College Life to Professional Life. And I'll give you a little sneak peek here. Out in the garage, I'm working on a table, and there out in the yard are the chairs. So I'm anxious to show you that project. And then project number 2 is behind this door, and this one I'm working on down in our basement. And this project I'm calling From Garbage to Gorgeous. So I'm anxious for you to see the transformation of this project. And my 3rd project is here in my craft room. And it looks like we got a party going on. Hey, that's right, my mother-in-law's 90th birthday. So I am making all the party decorations for her. So stay tuned as I complete my projects, and I'll show them to you soon. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye for now.